Hello, my friends, and welcome back. So, I went thrifting today, which you all know is probably one of my favorite things to do. And I decided to film some of the things that caught my eye so that I could share with you guys today. So, I hope you enjoy this, thrift with me, and of course, stick with me till the very end of this video, and I'll share with you what I brought home from today's thrifting adventures. I'm back from the store and it's a few hours later, but I wanted to quickly share with you my haul. As you can see, I found a few things which I'm excited about. The first one being this candle holder. It's got a wood base and then it's got this glass globe on the top. It was only $1.99. I'm not sure I'm going to keep this globe with it. I'm assuming this is for a lamp. So I'm going to hold on to the globe. Maybe I'll find a lamp to go with it later. But I have taller chimney globes to go on this candle holder. So I'm going to give this little guy a makeover. And he was a great deal for only $1.99. With pumpkin season coming, of course I'm all looking at the Halloween stuff and all the pumpkins, and I was super excited to find this guy. He was marked $3.99, but he rang up as $2.99, which is super exciting. So $1 off. I don't know why, but he's in really good condition. I am going to give it a makeover. I like using these little ones that you can take the lid off for like little candy holders, or I don't know, just random things. Or I could use it for a flower arrangement, something like that. But like I said, he'll be getting a little makeover. He's a little dirty and needs to be cleaned up, but good price, and he's in really good condition. Then I was excited to find some Christmas glassware. These are old fashions, 14 ounces. There is a set of 4 of them. It was originally $3.99, but once again, it rang up as $2.99. So I'm not quite sure why that happened, but I was super thrilled to see that when I got home. Like I said, there's 4 of these. I love the little design on it. The box says it's from 1985. So that was kind of exciting for me to find those. And then let's see, let's move this stuff out of the way. And then I found this little throw blanket quilt number for $6.99. I have been looking for a quilt for a really long time that I could make some fabric pumpkins out of, and I really like the colors on this. It's got the reds, it's got some navies, pinks, some plums, and I think it would look really, oh, and a little bit of brown. I think it would look really cute. It's a little ragged. It's falling apart already. I don't know why it was $6.99, but I seriously have been looking for something to make pumpkin or fabric pumpkins out of that's quilted for like the last year, and this is the first one I've actually come across that I would like for that. So I was willing to pay the $6.99. I can get probably a couple big pumpkins and a few small ones as well out of this, so I'm super excited. And then finally I found a new lamp base. I'm going to use it in my bedroom. I don't know why, but I've been really drawn to these lamp bases lately. A lot of times they'll have a floral on them, or they'll have like what do you call it? Like a lady picture on it or something like that. Well, I've passed them up numerous times this in probably the last 6 months, and I found this one at the very last store today. It was $4.89, and it's got this lovely floral on it. It's in great condition, so I decided to go ahead and get it. I'm going to use it in my bedroom on my bedside table. It's got a great little toggle on it for the on-off switch, and the cord isn't scary. I will totally use this without having to do anything to it except for add a lamp and a light bulb. So I'm super excited about this. To me, I don't know if anyone knows anything more about these types of lamps, but they seem like, I don't know, are they 40s? Are they 50s? Something like that. I'm not really sure, but I love them. I think they are so cool. So I don't know. You guys let me know if you know, like, what era were the lamps like this popular. I would love to know, because I can't seem to figure it out. So anyways, I am super excited about my finds today. I hope you guys enjoyed going thrifting with me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.